He looked right at me and said, "You are the worst mom ever. And here's what I know now that I didn't know then." See, that sentence is designed to activate that monkey brain, that enemy, that story inside you that says your worth is tied to your kid's behavior. That story that says, if she's saying that, it means I failed. And the moment that you go quiet or get defensive or start explaining why you're actually a good mom, it's over. The enemy has won. And it's not even factual. It's a move. It's a defensive move. And then you just handed them your nervous system and you've gotten sucked into their energy. So naming the moment before you respond, that story, I'm a bad mom if I can't control this, is just not true. It's not your job to control. It's your job to lead. And to be lead, you have to make a conscious choice on where are you leading them to? Where are you leading them from? What is important for you and your family? And say it out loud if you have to. And then look at them, whether it's sons, I have sons, whether it's daughters, whether it's sons and daughters, and just tell them, look, I hear you. And the answer is still no. And then just walk away. Don't defend, don't explain, and don't ask for an apology in that moment. Later, when everything is calmed down, you can remind them that in this family, we don't talk to each other that way when we're angry. And when you're ready to tell me what you actually needed, I'm here. And that's it. Your kids are not the enemy. You are not the enemy. The family unit is the training ground for everything that they're learning about how to be people. And every time you hold steady, every time you show up with that calm leadership, reminding them of what values matter, you're proving that old story wrong. The standard is this: you are not required to defend your worth as a mother to your child in the middle of a tantrum or ever. So if you need some scripts for this, the hardest parenting moments, go to leadwithoutyelling.com. You get the scripts, you get the plans, you get the 24-hour follow-up, you get the family standard guide. I put everything together so that you can start making conscious decisions about how you want to show up in your family.